It's bad news for consumers that the new Toyota Fortuner is unlikely to be cheaper than the current model. There are several reasons for this. First, the cost of materials and production tends to increase over time, which can lead to higher prices for new vehicles. Second, the new Fortuner is likely to have improved features and technology, which drive up the price. Finally, Toyota is a well-respected brand known for its quality and durability, and consumers are often willing to pay a premium for these attributes. All of these factors suggest that the new Fortuner will likely be priced at a similar level or slightly higher than the current model. This is disappointing for those hoping for a more affordable option, but the new Fortuner may still offer value for its price with its upgraded features and performance. The TNGA-F platform. It's expected that the new Toyota Fortuner, a mid-sized SUV known for its rugged construction and dependable performance, will not be offered at a lower price than the current model. This is due in part to the use of the TNGA-F platform, which allows for greater flexibility in production and can enhance the overall quality and performance of the vehicle. However, this platform is more expensive to manufacture than previous platforms, and this cost may be reflected in the price of the new Fortuner. In addition, the new model is expected to have upgraded features and technology, which may also contribute to a higher price. Furthermore, the Toyota brand is highly reputable for its quality and durability, which often results in consumers being willing to pay a premium for these attributes. All of these factors indicate that the new Fortuner will likely be priced at a higher level than the current model. Hybrid technology. It's anticipated that the new Toyota Fortuner, a mid-sized SUV recognized for its tough construction and reliable performance, will not be offered at a lower price than the current model. This is due in part to the incorporation of hybrid technology, which allows the vehicle to operate using both gasoline and electricity, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. However, the components required for hybrid technology, such as the battery and electric motor, are more expensive to manufacture than the traditional gasoline components, and this added cost may be reflected in the new Fortuner. In addition, the new model is expected to have new features and technology, which may also contribute to a higher price. Finally, Toyota is a highly respected brand known for its quality and durability, which often leads consumers to be willing to pay a premium for these attributes. Improved features. The new Toyota Fortuner is expected to have improved features and technology, which may contribute to a higher price. This could include advances such as a more powerful engine, improved fuel efficiency, and the addition of advanced safety and convenience features. For example, the new Fortuner may have a wider range of driver assistant technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, which can enhance the overall driving experience and make it safer. These features are often in high demand and can drive up the price of a vehicle. In addition, the new Fortuner may have a more stylish and modern design with updated interior materials and technology, such as a larger touchscreen display and a premium sound system. All of these features may add to the overall value of the new Fortuner. That's all for this video. Like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more videos. See you in the next one. Till then, take care, and thanks for watching.